Hey friends, if you wish to turn off recommended troubleshooting on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. First of all, let me guide you through the procedure and then I'll explain what recommended troubleshooting is. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. There's something called as recommended troubleshooter preferences. Now what does this mean? It means that if your system faces an issue, Microsoft will recommend and run certain troubleshooters to fix that issue. So you can select the option to don't run any or to ask before running, or actually there are also options where you can simply the troubleshooter will simply run and it won't even notify you. So I don't like running troubleshooters unnecessarily. That's why I select don't run any troubleshooter, but the default option is to ask before running, so that it will ask you, and if you click on yes, then it will run the troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.